Okay guys, we have the traditional business. Okay, for example, we have the hotel. This is the building. Okay, blah blah. This is the building, the traditional business. Okay, in this case, our client's business. Okay, all the offer that now he has getting, okay, they are the visitors to the city. Okay, this is the city. Okay, and they are coming to the city. Okay, the business doesn't have any TikTok, any Instagram, this is a simple website not optimized on Google Ads or something like that. Just think about he hasn't anything. Okay, in this case, the thing that we explain this business owner, that is every customer comes to the city. Okay, we have this hotel, and I remember we have, for example, 6 or 7 hotels in the city. So we have hotel number 1. Okay, these hotels, they are competing with this client. Okay, and they are different prices. They have different prices. They have different commodities. For example, I don't know, better garage, better price, better good looking, best food. You know, point of strong about these businesses. Okay, but once the people comes to the city, okay, they will choose between my client's hotel, okay, or every other hotel. Make a competition. Okay, so once the people came to the city, okay, they are already competing. You know, you don't have control. For example, in this case, my client, before working with us, he has no control about which kind of aspects he can control, showing the best offer, that is his hotel. Okay, because for sharing that information that they are the best in the city, okay, the client needs to go first, you know, to the place, or if a friend talks about my client's hotel. Okay, so the range is a little range. Okay, it depends if this person goes to my client's hotel. Okay, and most of the cases, these clients go to 1, 2, or 3 options maximum. You know, so once, for example, if you take a trip, you know, you don't go in a city and you visit 3, 5, 6 hotels. In the most of the cases, you go 1 or 2, you know, looking, and you decide. Okay, so the range, the 100% of clients, for example, we are just guaranteeing, I don't know, maybe 10% that the people will come to my client's hotel. Okay, and for example, 2% conversion. Okay, 100% of people that is coming to the city, only the 10% will go to my client's hotel, and only the 2% will actually contract these hotel services. Okay, so just 2%. Thinking about the people who is coming to the village and take the decision over there. Okay, but nowadays, as you know, and you will do it nowadays, in 2024, the most of the cases, I think that 95% of the cases, once we go to a vacation, you know, we make a reservation through TripAdvisor, Booking.com, or any app that you have in your country. You know, we make the reservation of the hotel, and then we go and we arrive. Okay, so if we talk about that, I don't know, 100% people in the other scenario go to the place, let's think in the people that now he's already making reservations, it could be 1,000 people, So in the last scenario, my clients getting only 2% conversion, okay? Getting the people into the business and take the money from that service, okay? So in these cases, he's getting zero. He's getting zero because he's not on the apps, he's not on Instagram, he's not on TikTok, he's not on Facebook. You see, 2% of the people that goes to the village, and they are already 1,000 people that already make a reservation through apps, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, okay? He's getting 2% and he's losing this opportunity right here, okay? So let's move on to the next. So this example is going to be the new age business, okay? The new age business is our proposal for this client, okay? You have the hotel, okay? You have your business, the hotel, okay, with, I don't know, Wi-Fi, good food, great food, I don't know, great beds, blah blah blah, okay? The best points, okay? Good looking, okay? Your service or product, you have to show these things, these strong things to your potential customers. It's like if you have any business and you pretend that, yeah, okay, I have my office, I have my shop, so I'm going to be successful. No, even if you have your business on the middle of Big Apple on New York, it's not guaranteed, man. It's not guaranteed. Yes, you will have an amount of people coming, entering, closing, but you already see the average of conversion, 2% about 100 people, and you lose 1,000, okay? You lose 1,000 people because you are not online, okay? So what is the proposal? Okay, you have these red points of your business, so we have to make Facebook page, web, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Doesn't matter, okay? We do social media. We start showing online, okay? We show through these platforms the greatest points that you have, and the customer will see all these platforms, okay? All these platforms, and they will start looking about what you have to offer, what is your price, what is your disponibility, okay? And maybe because it isn't the same, you can create content for showing. Yes, you can convert. Yes, you can convert into people, leads to clients, okay? Maybe you can convert the 2% to 10%, okay? But also you will need a sales process, okay? Because people likes, for example, in a hotel, likes to read reviews, okay? So if you don't have reviews about your product or your services, man, you are a lot of things to do, okay? Because people, the psychology of the buyer, okay, trust a lot about a product or a service to the people that gives testimonials, okay? That before the buyer take the decision to go to the hotel, okay? So you will see in here in the Facebook page, in the web, Instagram, TikTok, the good looking, the Wi-Fi that you offer, the great food, the great rooms, and testimonials, okay? Once this guy in here, the buyer, is thinking the idea, oh, this could be great to go to this village and stay on this hotel, okay, they will send you a message through Facebook, your website, your Instagram, the TikTok, and for example, we have a team, a sales representative that will say, hey, the buyer say, hey, tell me more about your service. And this guy, our sales representative, sales rep, will say, oh yes, we have this, we have this, we have this, blah blah blah. When you're and he's starting the sale, asking questions, all the sales process, and he finally will convert into a new client. During all this process, we do all this process until automatically, okay, because our business owner, for example, this is the business owner, okay, this takes time, a lot of time. On Facebook, we need a strategy. With a website, we have to create the website and give you maintenance. On Instagram, there is another content strategy and maintenance. And TikTok, there is another strategy and maintenance. Okay, so you have Facebook, you have the web, you have Instagram, and you have TikTok. Once the client see all the great points, they will send you a message and, hey, tell me more about your hotel, our sales representative. Yes, we have this, we have this, we have this. When you're planning to come in, blah 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 blah. He's closing the deal, a new client. We do all these process during our business owner maybe is sleeping. Okay, maybe sleeping because we are working with different teams, with different time zones. That even if the business owner is sleeping, we take care about getting new clients to the service that he's offering. So this business owner have all these process for convert the 2% of the first example, the traditional business, into, let's say, 35%. Okay, 35% is a huge amount. Okay, he's getting, for example, I don't know, in the first case, 20 clients per month, and now he's getting 300 clients per month. You can make it, if every room, I don't know, $50 room a day, you can make 50 for 300, and with a huge amount of money coming in to the business. During our business owner, he's sleeping or taking care about the business. Okay, he forgets about the sales process, showing the great points that of the hotel, and even more. Okay, so this is basically the great thing about it. Doesn't matter if you have a physical business or digital business you already have. If you don't have a strategy and your business just showing at the product and you just sit down and wait for clients coming, it's not like that. You need to have all this process coming in. Okay,